Hello everyone, greetings from Visco. Today we will see how to assemble the Visco Ziplite Power Wheelchair. Product code 2974. Having flip-up armrests and fire-retardant upholstery, this power wheelchair has a driving range of up to 12 kilometers in a single charge and has a weight-bearing capacity of up to 100 kilos. Let us now begin the assembly of the Visco Ziplite Power Wheelchair. First, insert the controller in the pipe under the armrest on left-hand side. And then tighten the screw under it to fix the position of the controller. Now, stand behind the chair and place both your hands inside the handles, on the edges of the seat, and push it down. This will open the wheelchair. Now, push up the back handle of the wheelchair and fix it by twisting the lock in line with the handle. Now, take the battery, check the handles on it, and hang it on the rod under the seat of the wheelchair and push it down to fix it. Once that is done, interconnect the battery plugs of the battery and the wheelchair. Now, take the support wheels and push it in the handle behind the rear wheels. Make sure the whole of the support wheel is in line with the handle and then fix it with the screw given. Place the support manuals and emergency gears in the pocket behind the seat. Now, take the footrest and place it in and around the pipe above the front wheels. Once it is pushed correctly, twist it inside to fix it. Push the foot support down and open it for your legs to rest comfortably. To remove the footrest, push the key behind, twist it open and pull it apart. Moving ahead, now take the seat, facing the Velcro side downwards, and place it on the wheelchair. Now, let us understand the functions of the controller. The first button is a power button to switch on or off your power wheelchair. Below it is the honking button. The two buttons below it are speed controllers. And lastly, the lever is used to change the directions. To move forward, push the lever forward. To move back, pull it towards you. Similarly for left and right side. If your wheelchair is not moving, rotate the red button on rear wheels. Similarly, to stop the wheelchair from moving, or to park your power wheelchair, rotate the red button on the opposite side. Your Visco Ziplite Power Wheelchair is now assembled and ready for use. Wear the seat belt attached for extra safety. Enjoy!